so satisfying. Part of a giveaway and looking awesome. Hello. Hello everyone and welcome to another video on, yes you've guessed it, the ST. But I'm kind of getting close towards the end of what I'm doing with the engine bay mods now. There's a few more bits yet to be done, which I've mentioned in my videos. I really want to get onto the outside of this car as soon as I can. As soon as I can afford to do that, I will be. But a couple of bits that I just thought I'd wanted to share with you, and also where to get them. And I'm going to fit a couple of the parts today. And also at the same time, what I'm thinking of doing is doing a bit of a giveaway. So stay tuned, watch the whole of the video to make sure you don't miss out on how to do that. I'll get to that later in the video. So without further ado, I'll show you where you can get these from. You can either contact him on Instagram, which is Blue Iguana MS, which the icon looks like this. This is a sticker that's come in the pack. And also you can buy some of his stuff on eBay as well. But I'll put a link to the Instagram in the video description. And a couple of the bits that I want to fit today, I've not got a lot of light left, and I think these are really, really cool, nice little bits that you can add to the engine bay. There's various parts for the Mark 6 and Mark 6 ST, so definitely go out and check out his Instagram. But what I'm going to fit is, it's the like bonnet latch kind of bit that goes under the underside of the bonnet. I'm going to be fitting that, and also at the same time, what's quite cool is I love the fact that it's got the ST on it, and it will be a nice shiny kind of silvery chrome. But to accompany it, as you've been following my channel, I've got the CE UK washers. I'm going to be using the same washers, but I've had to buy new little tiny nuts. And then the other part, again, what I like is the fact that it's got the ST branding. This is the battery cover. Now, I'm going to fit this as is. It is silver, and I know not really much of my engine bay is silver, but I'm just going to fit it for now, just because I think it'll massively smarten up the engine bay. But I may look at spraying this gloss black. But anyway, let's get these both fitted in the car and see what they look like. So just before I look to fit, so I've taken this off, just make sure like the surface is clean. It's just a bit scuffed and a bit old, but basically this will be going over the top of this. So you just got to make sure to, obviously, it does come with a protective cover. So I'm just going to remove that first and take care before I screw it back on. Also, how satisfying is it when you're peeling it back and you get the nice shiny finish underneath? It's just so satisfying. That's it fitted to that. As you can see, it fits perfect. It's cut perfectly to size. So now let's get the new screws and washers in. But obviously, if you weren't going to do the washers and screws, you could just use your original ones. So there we have it. That is one part fitted. Just need to give it a bit of a buff. It's got like finger marks on it. One thing I might actually look at doing in the future is when I retake this off, maybe in the summer, the original bracket, and spray that gloss black, just so it gets rid of that little sort of nasty original rusty look around the edges. But I think that looks really cool. I'll just take the camera off so you can have a bit of a closer look. How cool is that? How mint is that? You can see the engine bay in the reflection. That might have to be a Instagram picture, but yeah, that looks pretty cool. So it matches with that was another new addition I've done at the front there for the bonnet. And obviously you got the other screws there, screws from CE UK, and washers there, and I've used the same washers from CE UK for this as well. And that's it's just a nice little touch to have in an engine bay. It looks really smart, and I do love the way it's got that mirror finish so you can see the engine bay through it. That is cool. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to put on is the battery cover. So again, we've got the protective covering. Again, it's that satisfying bit there where you're just revealing that really nice shiny hello. Okay, so got the protective film off, and look at how awesome that looks. It's like a proper mirror finish. So let's get this in place. Okay, I just realised I fitted this, but I didn't put the positive back on. But I think what it was happening was it was catching just here at the top. So I just used a Stanley knife and just trimmed like a couple of mil off. So now I'm going to have to rebuff this because all my fingerprints have just gone all over it. So replace the bracket. So both parts fitted and looking awesome. Hopefully it comes across sort of really good on camera if you can see that there. The finish is like 10 out of 10. It is proper like mirror finish. It looks really smart. And weirdly, I was saying about spraying it gloss black, but I actually think it looks quite nice as it is really. And especially because it's like reflecting the rest of the car, it kind of gives a bit of a, you know, black look, like it's not really there, but it definitely smartens up the engine bay in regards to not seeing an ugly battery on show. And actually, if you look now at this shot, we can see the new panel in the reflection of this new panel. But yeah, really happy with those two parts. I think they look awesome and just give the engine bay again another sort of freshen, much more sort of presentable for future shows. A few more bits yet to do, but yeah, properly happy with that stuff from Blue Iguana. So as mentioned, to get stuff like engine bay bling, I suppose you could call it, or engine bay dress up stuff, is these guys. So Blue Iguana, MS. Now, I have a few bits, but I changed my mind with, I've got a chrome, again, same finish as this, it's like polished finish for the fuse box, but I've used the Paint Mods gloss black with the gold. So this is going to be part of a giveaway, and I've got a fuel rail cover as well to go over this, but mine's in pretty good condition, and I'm thinking actually I might be able to just polish that up. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to do the fuse cover as well as the fuel rail cover as well. I'm going to do part of them as a giveaway, and I'm not 100% decided yet if I do want to put the covers that go over here. I'm thinking yes, because I think it will smarten up the front. You can see what they look like on, this is the Blue Iguana, by the way, Instagram page, and you can see it in the front here. And I think there's a more close-up, here you go, here's a close-up picture. So obviously that's the sort of finish you're going to get instead of this horrible black. I'm thinking of fitting them, but if not, they will also be in the free giveaway. So going on to the giveaway, and also congrats to you who, if you've watched all of this video and got to the details here, you're in for the chance to win those couple of little bits there. So basically what I want you to do is make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, but then what I also want you to do is to comment with battery cover in gloss black, or put the battery cover left as is. So that's either battery cover in gloss black or battery cover left as is. So if you've put that in the comments and you are subscribed to the channel, then you'll be in a chance. But what I'm going to do, it as a little milestone. I'm slowly now creeping up to 600 subs. So I'm thinking when I hit 750 subs, which I'm hoping in, you know, might be in about a month's time, then I'll get the a random generator to pick one of the people who subscribed and commented, and then I'll get these posted out to you. So I'll leave the video there, everyone. Hope you've enjoyed this little mod, and also where to get these parts from, and also the free giveaway on those parts. Just a little mini thank you, you know, to people who are subscribed to the channel and watch it. I get regular comments from certain people, which is fantastic. As a whole, the channel seems to be pretty positive. So yeah, really appreciate that. Right, everyone. Yeah, it's probably spoken a bit too long again. Thank you all for watching, and see you in another video. Bye.